guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's learn HSK 2, Unit 5. 就买这件吧. Check this one. 就买这件吧. So let's match the pictures with words and phrases. And the first one, word 鱼. So only single syllable, right? So we need to choose F because 鱼 in Chinese means that fish. So choose F. And next one, 咖啡, coffee. So choose E. 考试, to take exam. So choose A. 衣服, clothes. So choose D. Next, 打球, play basketball. So choose B. But play basketball, that means 打篮球 here. So only need to choose this one because only this ball, right? Basketball here. And next one, 6. 休息. So here take rest. To take rest, choose C. So the answers are F, E, A, D, B, C. Okay, next one. So look at the pictures and describe what they are doing and where they are doing. So this exercise, you need to know how to mention or that somewhere, someplace. If you want to mention and indicate the place, and you need to put place before verb. So let's look at the first one. 在饭馆吃饭. So here 饭馆 means restaurant. 在 preposition. So in restaurant. Here verb 吃 eat 吃饭. So have meal in restaurant, right? Choose this one. The last one. Next, 在咖啡馆喝咖啡. So in Chinese, the sentence or phrases order is that you need to mention place in front of verb, okay? Try to remember this one, take note. And in English, that you need to say that drink coffee in cafe, right? 在咖啡馆喝咖啡. We don't say that 喝咖啡在咖啡馆. No, that's wrong, okay? Try to remember. Next one, 在学校考试. 在学校考试. 考试 means take exam. So this one. Taking exam in school. And next one, 在商店买衣服. So this one, the first one. Okay, read again, please follow me. 在饭馆吃饭. 在咖啡馆喝咖啡. 在学校考试. 在商店买衣服. Okay, so text 1, at home. And new words first. 外面, outside. 外面, so inside, 里面, right? You remember? Inside, 里面 and 外面. 准备, to intend, to plan. 准备 or prepare. Next one, 就, so this is adverb used to indicate a conclusion or resolution. So we will learn this grammar later. So when you mention two things and you want your partner or your friend to choose, we need to use this adverb. Your friend will give you a conclusion. And next one, 鱼, fish, 鱼. Okay, here, particle here used at the end of sentence to indicate, again here, conclusion. So we always use these words together, 就 and 吧. So here let's read this sentence. Okay, that's from first sentence. 晚上我们去饭馆吃饭，怎么样? So let's go to a restaurant for dinner. What do you think? 晚上我们去饭馆吃饭，怎么样? So here ask advice or ask if she want to go to a restaurant or ask the conclusion. But you need to mention time. Time first, 晚上. And then subject. So go to restaurant for dinner. Okay, next one. 我不想去外面吃。我不想去外面吃。So here 不 negative form. I don't want to eat out. I want to eat at home. 我想在家里吃。那你准备做什么呢 ？So what are you planning to cook? 那你准备做什么呢 ？So now here that means then. Then because she mentioned that I want to eat at home, so this guy asked then, what are you planning to cook? So here 就做你爱吃的鱼吧。So I'm thinking of fish, your favorite. 就 here indicate a conclusion, right? So they are discussing the dinner, so where they should go to for dinner, right? 就 and 吧 here. Take note, okay? Here adverb, so the structure 就 adverb indicates a conclusion or a resolution made on the basis of what's been mentioned previously. For example, so you mentioned something previously and you want a conclusion and you need use this word. 你不想去就在家休息吧。So you don't want to go out, then you take rest at home. 这儿的咖啡不错，就喝咖啡吧。So here the coffee here is very good, or not bad. So then we drink coffee. Okay, so here attention in the sentence 颜色还可以，就是有点大。Here is totally different. It's totally different. This one in this sentence is not indicating a conclusion, but concession, okay? 就是something that's not positive, like this one. And next one, in a store, okay? Let's read again. So 件 used for clothes among other items, piece. So here 件 clothes, right? 一件衣服 one piece of clothes. And 还 here rather, fairly rather, 可以 not bad, 不错 pretty good. Okay, first 帮我看一下这件衣服怎么样 What do you think of this garment? 颜色还可以 The color is okay, 就是有点大 Here, but it seems too large. So here 有点 alright? 有点 we'll learn this grammar later. So pay attention this one. 这件小的怎么样 What about this small one? 这件不错，就买这件吧 This one is good. Take this one. Okay, so next, let's look at text 3. Text 3 here. 今天去不去打球？这两天有点累，不去打球了。So here, 有点 let's learn this grammar first. 有点 So the structure 有点 at adjective or verb indicates the speaker's negative mood, right? Or complaint. For example, 今天天气有点冷. So today's weather is a little bit cold. 昨天有点累. I'm a little bit tired. I was a little bit tired yesterday. So let's read this text now. 这两天有点累，不去打球了。No, I won't. I've been feeling tired lately. And here, 你在做什么？是在想昨天的考试吗？ So what are you doing? Are you thinking about yesterday's test? 是在想昨天的考试吗 Okay, so 是啊，我觉得 So I feel that 听和说还可以 So here, yes, I think I did okay in listening and speaking. 读和写不好，很多字我都不知道是什么意思。So you need to remember this sentence is a little bit long, so let's analyze first. I think I did okay in listening and speaking. 还可以。So here, 还 a modal adverb 还. So this structure 还 add adjective means that something is passable or acceptable. So it's okay. Like, so when you ask someone, how are you? It's okay. I'm fine. Actually, it's not fine, right? So here, 读和写不好，很多字我都不知道是什么意思。读 that means reading, 写 means writing, 不好。So, but not in reading and writing. I didn't know the meanings of many characters. So 很多字我都不知道是什么意思。Okay, try to remember 还可以。That means it's okay or it's fine. Next one. In the company 休息一下吧。喝咖啡吗？不喝了。Let's take a rest. Would you like some coffee? No, thanks. 我已经喝2杯了。I've already had 2 cups. 已经 already 喝2杯了。了 here past tense, right? 是啊，咖啡喝多了对身体不好。Right, too much coffee is bad for our health. 对 here proposition used before a noun or pronoun to or for. Okay, so try to remember this sentence. Too much coffee is bad for our health. 咖啡喝多了对身体不好。对 means for. 以后我少喝一点，每天喝1杯。I will drink less coffee, 1 cup a day. 以后我少喝一点。So we learned that 有点 right, that's negative mood, but 一点 is the opposite. So I will drink less, right? 少喝一点，每天喝1杯 1 cup a day. Okay, we learned 4 texts and some grammar. So 就 this 就 indicates a conclusion you should remember. I mentioned you, and this one 还可以 and next 有点 so indicates speaker's negative mood. Okay, all complete. This is all for Unit 5. Take this one 就买这件吧. Okay, next time we'll learn that Unit 6. Thank you for your listening and see you next time. Give me a like, please. Bye bye.